In a moonlit Rucker Park showdown, a rising street legend faced a seasoned NBA star, sparks flying as the crowd roared. He unleashed a gravity-defying dunk sequence and nailed a clutch three, turning the gym into a lightning bolt of noise. The opponent countered with step-back threes, while strategic ball movement opened clean lanes for decisive drives and ankle-breaking crossovers. Commentators highlighted the legend's fearless tempo and the star's calculated defense, revealing how timing and space transformed raw energy into victory. As the buzzer hissed, the legend claimed the moment, proving Streetball's magic can reshape pro strategy and memory alike.